All right, y'all, we just finished smoking the gator and it's time to eat.
Y'all, my boyfriend and I harvested a small alligator just for smoking, and we're gonna show you how to do that today. First off, you gotta make a brine. You're gonna add a cup of salt and a cup of sugar to a large pot of water. You're gonna boil it, cool that water down, and then you're gonna pour it over your gator with the ice. Don't let that gator be fishy. You gotta cut the fat out of the tail.
And when a lot of people complain about alligator being fishy, it's because they don't take the time to cut this out.
Y'all, this is the magic stuffing for the gator tail. You're gonna get you some Boudin, a pound of Boudin. You're gonna crush it all up. Add you 2 blocks of cream cheese. You're gonna add you a jalapeno to the mix. Keep the seeds in. Then you're gonna add a packet of the ranch seasoning. And of course, you gotta add some of that Southern Boys low sodium seasoning. Then you're gonna add 8 strips of cooked bacon. Mix it all up. Get in there. Use your hands. Don't forget, this has got to be a nice stuffing. Next, add you some yellow mustard. Slather that gator in yellow mustard. Make sure this is going to be your bind for your rub, your dry rub. So make sure you get it all up in that tail, every which way. For our dry rub, we use some paprika. We put that all over the gator, y'all. All over it. And we also added Kinder's wood-fired garlic. Next up, we stuffed the tail with the magic stuffing Boudin cream cheese mix, y'all. It's so good. Oh my gosh, like I could eat that just for dinner itself. You put it in the tail. We put it also in the body cavity, and make sure to close the body cavity up so it doesn't fall out with toothpicks. Here comes the gator, ready for the smoker. We got our beautiful gator. We're gonna put him on the grill. We smoked our gator for about 4 hours. Now keep in mind, this is a 3 to 4 foot gator. We smoked it around 275, and you want the internal temperature of the tail meat to be 160
All right, y'all,
degrees.
we just finished smoking the gator and it's time to eat. Go Tigers!
Go Tigers!
Oh my God.
That's really good.
Cooking a gator ain't for the faint of heart. You gotta do a lot of work to it, but man, this came out good, y'all. My favorite recipe so far.